What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today, turkey injections, chicken injections, poultry injections, whatever you want to call it. If you've ever been in the case to where for Christmas, Thanksgiving, you forgot to go get some injection from the store, like the Tony C's or whatever you get, you have to learn to make your own. And that's what happened to me. That's why I made my own, and I actually like it a lot better than what you find in the stores. So I'm going to bring you in, and we're going to get started on everything you need and how to make it. You're going to need one injector, of course, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 stick of butter melted, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of fine ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of your choice of hot sauce. So, add in your butter, chicken broth, your salt. Make sure you get it all. Don't use too much salt when you're making these, because salt will dry out your bird that you're putting it in. Okay, that was my white pepper, black pepper, garlic, and lemon juice. Lemon juice will actually help break down any tissues and everything and help make it more tender. Optional, hot sauce. Everybody, this is completely optional. This is your standard here of like your regular butter, garlic style marinades, okay? I use hot sauce in mine to give it a little more kick, and it actually brings it into more like your Cajun, almost your Cajun styles, your Cajun marinades. I prefer Cholula. Mix it together with a whisk, and you've got your marinade. That's all you need. Just come in, bring your injector in. There you go. You can just inject it in your chicken or your turkey, and 1-inch squares. So remember, just every 1 inch, go around your turkey, especially in the breasts and the legs. You know, anything that your family eats is where you really want to get it. So, hope you enjoyed the quick video, and hope you enjoy the marinade. See y'all guys next time.